Alright folks, today we're introducing you to a car so rare that even billionaires try to buy it, and end up walking away empty-handed. Yes, meet the AI XL 9000, a car that doesn't exist on Earth, but only runs in the world of AI. Now you might be wondering, why is that? Well, let me break it down for you. No fuel needed, no charging required because it never actually starts. Maintenance cost? Zero, because it's not even real enough to break. And its price? Even billionaires look at it and go, yeah, I'll pass. This car is so exclusive it can't be parked in the showroom, nor can it be driven on the roads. It only exists in one place: your imagination and the AI screen. Oh, and it's got everything. Air conditioning that only cools your dreams, a top speed so fast you'll be on Mars before you can blink. So if you've ever wanted the world's most exclusive car, just hop into AI, log in, and own this masterpiece, just in your mind. Because remember, the AI XL 9000. It won't ever get in your garage, but it'll definitely get in your head. And that's the AI XL 9000 for you. The car of dreams, not driveways. It's rare, iconic, and absolutely untouchable, unless you've got an imagination as big as its non-existent price tag. So, why settle for ordinary when you can own the impossible? Until next time, keep dreaming, keep imagining, and remember, some cars are just too good for reality.